Here are different types of sneezers. Part 1. Chill. Hey, yo, bro, you good? Oh, yeah, I'm chill.
It's you.
What, did my sneeze make you faint? Did you take too much of that white powder your grandma gave to you? Maybe. Oh, shit. Dude, my girlfriend was under that bed. Oh, hell. Oh, here's coming. Here's the sneeze coming. Did you have too much hallucinogenics while you were taking that shower water? Maybe. Did you just sound like a razor blade that my dad uses to shave his balls? Man, what the hell are you talking about? I think I'm good. I thought you was about to give me COVID since we're not standing 6 feet apart. Did you go through puberty too slow? Bro, did you go through puberty too fast? Bro, are you crying because that scammer on Roblox took literally 1 Robux away from your account, bro? Man, what in the... Did you just sound like my dad's blow dryer that he uses to blow dry his armpits? I think since you hit yourself in the chest, you're gonna have heart problems from now on. My god, my neck. Where the hell did your intertrochanteric line go after that? Dude, did you just fart so hard that even George W. Bush, a retired president, smelt that? Dude, we know you took too much of that white powder in the shower. Comment down below which sneeze was your favorite. I'm gonna go take a fart.